All right, so I'm back here at Supercar Sunday, getting back to what did Daddy bring. We've been so busy, plus the rain. It was Porsche day. You didn't bring your Porsche.
No, I thought I'd bring this one.
What? Where do you park this thing? It's huge.
It's I thought originally it was the longest car ever made, but it's not actually.
I thought it was the longest too.
You know what is longer?
Yes.
Because
you told me.
Mercury Marquis in 1973, 1974, and maybe some other years.
Okay.
4 inches longer than this. This is 225 inches. The Mercury is 229.
What year is this?
This is a 60, 1960.
So this is known for the fins.
This is where the fins of the 59, which were outrageous. Remember the 59 fins would go up here, and they would have this shape, like this, right? And then the two lights were in that angle of it. You've seen my 59,
yes,
right? The 59 is the iconic one. This one changed a little bit, where they put the light into the fin like that, and had some other lights here. So tail light has 4. It has the fin lights, and has the lower lights, and I think maybe turn signal also goes on both.
Gotcha.
Okay.
How long have you had this one?
About 35 years.
You've had this for 35 years?
Yes. I haven't washed it in the past 25 years, or driven it for 25 years. I'm not kidding. Look, in see this thing here, the dent?
Yeah.
That is a tire that I had on a rack that fell off the rack in 1994 during the Northridge earthquake.
Wow.
Right? That 94?
Yeah.
So in 94, right after I painted it, like maybe in 88 or something like that. And then that
was this your first collector car?
No, it's the second. I had a 65 Impala Super Sport, which I still have it.
Convertible or
Convertible. I still have it.
Do you really?
I do. Yeah.
What color?
Red with white interior.
Manual or automatic?
Well, it's automatic. It's converted. It's not a stock, so it has a 454 in it. So it's a big block in it. So since somebody modified it, I left it alone. It has a turbo 400.
Okay.
Automatic transmission, which is fun to drive. It used to be my car. It used to be my truck, really, because when I started my business, I had the 65. I put a tow hitch on it. I had a trailer, and I would take my equipment in the trailer to do America's Funniest Home Videos in ABC. Really? I didn't have a van, so I used the convertible with a trailer as a truck. Anyway, this one I think I got in 1988 or so. You know, it was not in the greatest shape, but it was not worth really doing full restoration on this car. See this? At the earthquake, my grinder
fell forward.
My grinder hit this. Yeah. So that's that.
Do you love this car?
It's one of the nice. Look, can you hear it? I mean, now there's so much. You know, the engine is
What
running.
size engine is this one?
390. You hear it?
It's quiet.
Look. So, since it sat for such a long time, this car, you know, fuel was bad, pump was this, I flushed it all, cleaned the carburetor in my living room.
In your living room?
Yeah, because I can be more meticulous, you know, it's quiet.
How about the kitchen?
The kitchen I use for the ultrasonic, the ultrasonic cleaner. You know what
do you use your garage for?
I have 6 cars in the garage, but I don't have, in the garage. So the problem is it was sitting on a rack above the Ferrari for many years.
This one was?
This one.
Oh, so I walked by it before, never noticed.
Now the Auburn is up there. So what happened is, that's why I don't like the rack so much, because you neglect them up on the top.
Yeah.
And then by the time you go to start it, and I tried to start it, the fuel pump sucked everything in, destroyed the fuel pump, the gas tank was bad, so I took the carburetor, cleaned it up, put a new gas tank, new fuel pump.
You did it all yourself?
Yeah, all by myself. I mean, Tony helped me with a gas tank together
Right.
and putting the carburetor together. I know how to do it, you know. I just read the manual of the carburetor, you know, the data sheet.
I like it.
It's nice, right? You know,
What's the response when you drive this from people?
everybody says, what a nice car.
Thumbs up, wave.
Thumbs up. Look, if you think about all the talent it's made, it may be one of the nicest one. Even though the 59
Jeez,
is...
that's a big car.
Look at the quarter panel. Can you imagine painting this thing? Because you have to do one shot.
Yeah.
You have to be very stable. You have to go with a gun. See, we're painting stuff independently. You know, so you go like this.
Right.
It's a lot. You can't stop in the middle with metallic. Somebody would go on a dolly and somebody will push them. And you go like this. You have to be steady and you have to go all the way. Like this. At a consistent speed. You like?
Love it. Be fun to take down to the beach.
Right? Look at the size of the trunk in this thing.
How many bodies can you put back there?
4? The maximum that I put in were 4.
Oh, you could. Wow. Yeah. Extra manifold.
Yeah, I think there was a crack in it, so the guy put a different one. I need to put these plates on. You see, I have the YOM, you know, year.
Your manufacturer, yeah.
Yes, so this
60 or 60 what?
60.
Yeah.
60. You see?
Yep.
So I got this from the DMV, and I need to put this thing on, and then you need to do the little tabs. You know, you don't put the stickers on the plates themselves. Have you know about these plates?
Yeah, you get a little tag. They give you a
Here's the
tag.
thing. This is what it
On
is.
the bottom.
If you have plates like this in California,
Yeah.
in order to register new plates to a 1960 car,
I see.
you need to have a 1960 sticker on it. You see? You see, there's
No, you don't have to have a 60 sticker.
That's yes, you do. That's
No,
what they told me.
you
the
just
DMV.
have to have original plates. It can't be made
The
like
DMV told-
aluminum or anything.
The DMV, when I went there and I won it,
Yeah.
I mean, it's an opinion. I'm telling you what they told me. You
Gotcha.
say no, okay?
Yeah.
The DMV told me that if I want to assign this thing, I need to find a virgin plate with a
You need to try. You need to find out what?
a virgin plate, meaning that it's never been used really, and it doesn't have any stickers that accumulate on it. That's what they told me. I'm not trying to say whether he's right or I'm right or
No,
whatever.
you
it
are
is.
correct on that.
Okay, and they say that the 1960 sticker needs to be exposed like this on the very top. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so you don't ruin this plate ever. So it could be used later on for another car, and you don't build up stickers on it. Okay, because you want to preserve the 60. Then you do this. You see now you have these aluminum tabs. The problem is it doesn't really fit in here. So they give you this, the DMV, and then you put these here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and now the month and the year go here and here, so you don't destroy the plate.
I've got a '56 Bel Air with original plates, but it doesn't have the tabs.
Okay, so you go on eBay and you find it's registered to the car.
I bought it with the car, yeah, registered
Okay,
the car.
so okay, then you don't have a problem. It doesn't really matter whether, because now you can put a 2024 sticker on top of your 56. You see, when these plates were made, there was no stickers on the first year. It was engraved, it was punched into the plates. It was punched. A 56 plate was punched.
Got it.
Look at 1963. You know, 1963 is engraved. Did you notice that? Before, on the area where the sticker is, if you have an unused 1963 black, remember the black plates?
Yeah.
The reverse colors?
Yeah.
It says 1960. Oh no, it says 63 etched into it.
Huh.
Yes. And then people put stickers over the 63, 64, 65, and so
I didn't know
forth,
that.
and you don't see the 63 anymore. But this one, you see the sticker. I don't know if they I guess the stickers go in here. You know what? But the thing is, there's no month. I guess maybe they didn't have month. I don't know all the stuff. Anyway.
Whatever. They just sent it to you.
So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Now you know about old cars, license plates, and stickers.
Was it boring enough?
All right, I'm gonna wrap it up. I got soccer practice with the kids. We'll see y'all later.